Hello and welcome to the Paper Cup Travels Carry-On Edition. Today we are in Venice, staying at the San Maurizio in room number 10. They have keys here. Whoop. So we need the key to get in. We've already put our luggage in. But this is about it. It does have your TV, a little letter desk, a bed, one nightstand, and power outlets on this side, as well as this side. Before we get into the washroom, let's see what's in here. This is a little safe. It's good enough for passports. And you can obviously hang your clothes up here. But there's not much else for storage. And if we swing around and go back into the washroom, you got your mirror, sink, bidet, toilet, and shower. And the shower comes with a handheld, or rain, it can be rain handheld. And as for amenities, we just have some hand soap and what I'm assuming is body wash. Let's see if there's anything behind there. No. Let's go check out the view. How do I open the curtains? There we go. This room does not appear to overlook much of anything. Looks like a glass ceiling there. But this does open up. Thank you for watching this quick room tour of suite number 10 at the San Maurizio in Venice, Italy. As always, if you enjoy these videos, please like, subscribe, and leave a comment.